Hey guys, CFL-TECH back with another video from CFL-TECH. We're on the light reading site with this streaming media news story, and as always, it will be linked down in the description if you want to check it out. So this is an interesting read here about Charter Spectrum. Now it's saying stabilization, not sub-growth, set to define video progress at Charter. Charter has been narrowing video losses but isn't predicting a return to video sub-growth. Stabilizing video results will translate to value in the business, says CFO Jessica Fisher. So this is interesting to see. Now, they don't predict the video business to grow. Now, of course, they have the mobile business. They still have internet, and they now offer a whole bunch of streaming apps using the Xumo box with the TV Select plans. So that's going well for them now. The results are showing this now. Q2, which is typically a difficult second quarter for the paid TV business, Charter shed 211,000 residential video subs in that period, and that's an improvement from a year ago that had a loss of 268,000 and a loss of 278,000 in Q1 2025. So that's a big drop there. And they're thinking that what they're doing with the package, the bundling, convergence bundling is helping. That's featuring mobile as well. So the new pricing and packaging is partially responsible for the improvement. So that is something that we did see even a little while back. And now it's even being more confirmed here. Now, with these bundles here, you're looking at about $100 in value of ad-supported streaming apps, including Disney+, Peacock, AMC+, and Hulu for no added cost. The operator has assembled that bundled streaming lineup in the wake of new and revised carriage deals with top programmers. So they're working out some really good deals here with top programmers. They have the Xumo box. They're getting customers on board with that. Now, of course, the traditional DVR box is still around. Grandfathered in customers still have that. And you still get these deals with those boxes. So that's good to see as well. If people do not want to change to a Xumo box, they are still getting these deals with the additional add-on bonus apps. Now, here's an image of the bonus apps. So look what you're getting here. The retail value of $105 here. And now the new ESPN Unlimited app is also included, which makes it even nicer for sports fans. So they're doing a really good job. And you know what? They're also planning for the future. They know the linear networks eventually on the standard TV, cable TV plans will be gone. Consumers will only be streaming at some point. And they're also setting this up for the future so they can still offer streaming services and offer, premium versions of it and charge for that and make revenue doing that with advertisers as well. And also, of course, mobile's not going anywhere and internet is also not going anywhere. So they'll still make money with those services as well. So they're set up pretty good for the future. They're doing a good job with that. Charter Spectrum will not be going away anytime soon. Whether you like them or hate them, they will be around for a while, and they're doing a really good job with the future here, getting protected for the future. And of course, you have the Cox Charter deal that's still in the works. Now, what will that do for the future as far as the additional? It's regional, so it's not going to really change the Charter Spectrum regions. Just in the Cox regions, you'll see some changes down the road, probably some more additional offerings as well as this becomes an even bigger company. So they're really setting up well for the future. But right now, if you are a Charter Spectrum customer, are you taking advantage of all of these streaming apps? And do you think it's making a big difference with keeping churn down? Now, they're seeing a difference. And, sometimes you see these results on a quarter basis, and then the next quarter it does change again, and then you see a higher churn rate. So right now it's looking like it's stabilized, and that's what they're seeing. They're not predicting big growth in the video sector, but right now it's looking good for them. They're holding their own, and they're thinking that what they're doing with these these big bundles here is really keeping customers on board and even getting some new customers as well. There are always people leaving the service, of course. But overall, it's stabilized and looking good right now for Charter Spectrum. So what are your thoughts on this? Are you a customer right now taking advantage of these streaming apps, and are you enjoying them? Let us know down below. Also, let us know about the Zumo box. Do you think it's a good system, or are you finding it frustrating at times? Are you seeing any pixelization, any issues with streaming? Let us know down below. I know someone with the box, and they sometimes do have some issues at times. I just don't know if it's isolated to their box or if it's more of a widespread issue. Let us know down below. If it's your first time here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you know when the next video drops from CFL-TECH. Also hit that thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. Lets YouTube know you love the content and lets us know as well. Thank you for watching. Freddy Tech checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.